All right, welcome back, friends. In this episode, we are looking at how to create list. Okay, so a list is part of our daily activities. Okay, let's say you are going to a supermarket, or you are going to a shopping mall. You've been having a list of items that you have jotted down to buy. Okay, maybe you open a website and you see that the website have a list of categories. Okay, so it is just normal list that you know. We have talking about list, we have the ordered list and the unordered list. So let's look at what is meant by that. Okay, wipe unordered list. Okay, so I would like to use the comments, okay, because it is my friend. Okay, unordered list, we have an unordered list, then we have ordered list. Okay, let me copy this one. Let me change this one to ordered list. Ordered list. Okay, so how does unordered list looks like and how does the ordered list look like? As the name implies, unordered is UL. Okay, open and closing. All right, so inside here, this is where you're going to list our item. So to list your item, use what the LI. Okay, that one to open and closing. So let's say we are preparing tea. I prefer coffee with LI sugar. For some reason, I like taking sugar. Okay. All right. So this is on ordered list. That is the UL. Let's see how on ordered list stands in the browser. Let's save and refresh. Okay. So you can see it's kind of giving us a bulletin like this. All right. So let's go and see how the ordered list also works. All right. Dealing with on ordered list. We are dealing with ordered list. Okay. So we use OL. Okay. For ordered list. It's the same thing. LI, save it, refresh, and you can see. Okay, so the ordered list deal with the numbers bulletin, and on ordered list deal with the normal bulletin. All right, so that is that. Let's do a quick recap. So we step in and we create our list. We insert our comments here with a header section, which is with which says on ordered list. With this one says what ordered list. Okay. All right. So on ordered list, we use what the UL and the LI, and the order list we use OL and LI. Very simple as that. After we insert our items inside the list, then we save and render it on the browser. That is that. Okay, that's all for now. Let's meet on the next one.